What'd you say? You wanted an update. Okay. The onions are coming along. The corn is coming along. The okra back here. The bell peppers. My old faithful collard waiting on the seed. Here goes some ginger and asparagus and some cucumbers coming in and some peas. A little struggling strawberry. Some society's garlic. This is a yellow squash with a bean on the side. This is an eggplant. This is a zucchini with bean on the side. This is the Brussels sprouts. They go my collard greens pushing through. And some kale, some turnips, some carrots. I forgot what that is, but we'll know in due time. And some beets coming in here. Some broccoli with some lettuce planted around it. Some lettuce coming up right here with the cauliflower in the middle. Some spinach right here. Some more kale right here. Some cabbage right here. And some more Brussels sprouts in the middle. I also put some onions in right here because I didn't have no more space over there. I got a bean growing right there. Some more carrots over there. And a Brussels sprout over there next to my in-bed compost basket. Still trying to figure out what I want to put over there. I got about 8 more squares to fill up. Zinnias would be in here. Those are some volunteer tomatoes. I got these seeds out of some spaghetti squash that I cooked the other day. This is a butternut squash. These are some sweet potato slits I planted, and these are the Yukon potatoes that's taking off. And those are some more struggling strawberries. I also have a couple of things inside under the grow lights, along with some watermelon and cantaloupe seeds germinating in the corner of my cabinet over the stove in a plastic bag. Needless to say, we ready. I'm excited. This is your sign to start the garden.